We have, it's a 4-piece guasha, and I am pretty excited about it. Let me see. Take my little cloud knife and let me open it up. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's packaged really well. Aha. Oh, nice. So it gives you some instructions, which is always handy. You don't have to search for a video, and it has, I don't know, a cloth. And here's the 4-piece guasha. You could use these guashas all over your body. They have it for your tummy and your hands. That's pretty interesting. All right, so let's feel out the product. And then these are the 4 pieces that it comes with. This is the thickness. They feel cool to the touch and substantial. It's like a shark fin. And this one, I'm sure, I don't know, I have to look at the book, but this looks cool. And this, I don't know what this is used for. I'm going to check it out. But my light just went out. I don't know. But so far, I like it. It's a nice piece. I also am going to keep this box because it has the cutouts for the product, and it just makes it easy to store. So I would recommend. It has a lot of good stuff in it. And we'll try to see the guasha. Maybe you'll see me looking different in another month or so.